First initial public offering of 2024, Jyoti CNC Automation has opened for subscription today. What's your take on that? Should one subscribe to the issue?
It's an interesting issue, Suyash. Look, so I think whatever is going on in the IPO markets is it's honestly crazy and maddening,
Hmm.
and it sounds very difficult and sounds very esoteric if I say that one has to be really cautious about this one. In terms of valuations, I think the valuations are a little too steep on this one. Plus, the overall financials of the company aren't looking in great shape for last 2 3 years. The company has been running some losses, but to put it positively for the company, it's the only listed company or will be the only listed company in the CNC market in India, right? So it and they enjoy almost 10% market share. They've acquired a French subsidiary, I think last year, which hasn't been doing last year. No, sorry, I'm not sure when did they acquire the French subsidiary, but that subsidiary hasn't been doing that great, and which is kind of dragging down the overall results of the company, basically. But this space is very niche. The computerized control systems for machines is a very niche area. It's kind of a monopoly area where the company is. The promoters have huge wealth of experience in this entire thing. So from a very long term perspective, which is 3 to 5 years, the stock looks fantastic, to be honest. And uh, uh, the use cases of these kind of machineries in various industries are massive, in auto industries and defense industries and manufacturing, of course, right? So the use cases are huge, and the potential is massive. I would just wait and watch to figure out how does the company kind of spruce up its financials, the balance sheet overall, the valuations kind of becoming reasonable, either by virtue of time correction or by virtue of some value correction happening at a later stage. For investors looking at a quick listing gain, perhaps if the market remains buoyant, maybe this will give an opportunity. Maybe this will give an opportunity if the market remains in the mood in which it is and the market remains buoyant. But for long-term investors, yes, it could be a good buy if you have patience for 3 to 5 years. And this is a good space. I think the only company which comes close to it is Lakshmi Machine Works, which does some kind of work in this space. But otherwise, there's no comparative peer for the company.
All right, that's the view on Jyoti CNC.